Doc, we got some bad news. I don't know if it's going to be a successful transplant.
What do you mean?
I mean, look at him, man. He's barely holding on.
You're gonna have to hurry up. You gotta do
Hand me
this
the light.
process fast.
I got you.
All right.
Oh God, his heart rate's dropping.
Wait, why the hell?
Oh God.
Oh, is it still attached to the downpipe down there?
No.
But like it gets caught on the downpipe.
Oh, does it? I'm going under.
Oh, he's going under. Jesse, be careful down there.
I'll try.
Oh God, Jesse.
All right. Try pushing up on it.
Making a worthy sacrifice.
Oh yeah. Down.
Oh God.
Oh,
There we go.
it's coming out.
There we go.
It's coming out.
Doc,
Oh,
that's on you.
What's going on here?
oh it's getting caught.
It's stuck on the wastegate.
Oh, it's getting stuck on the boost solenoid?
Yep.
Damn.
We're getting pieces off.
All right.
Okay, what else?
Fat. Yeah, on the bottom.
Bring her out. We're bringing her out. Oh. Oh, she's feisty.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. No way. No way. Oh.
It's a boy.
Oh my goodness.
I hate men.
Oh my goodness. You know what? We should name him Garrett.
Name him Gary.
Gary.
Gary the snail.
That looks like a butthole. Oh, it's so black.
Oh my God, put a condom on
They're
your
gonna
finger.
take that out of context.
Here's context. The old one. The new one.
Wow,
New
look at how
shiny
it's the
boy.
right color.
Let me get the dirty stuff in there.
No! Don't ruin my fresh order.
You're not. You wouldn't. You wouldn't. I know you wouldn't. Because that doesn't come off. I know you wouldn't do it. Will, I know you wouldn't do it.
If you knew you wouldn't do it, why'd you cower?
I wouldn't actually do it to him, okay? I wouldn't do it to him. He already has root beer on there. It's okay.
What's next? Bump, bump, bump. Oil on his shirt. Oil on his shirt. This is our old S14 SR20 turbo that we blew at the Evergreen Day. If you guys remember, go check out that vlog. And right over here is the brand new T28 S15 turbo that we're gonna replace. It's all nice and brand new and shiny and spiffy. Now is the time to get this sucker in the S14, and hopefully we'll be making some bigger power, some smoother power, and it'll be a lot more cleaned up in there.
Until it blows up.
Don't say that. It's not blowing up.
It'll be really sick until it's not.
I mean, if it does, we'll go top mount. And we'll do it all over again. As you can see, we got a big gaping hole right through the engine bay. There's so much room in there when there's not a turbo occupying all the space. What? Another one? There's another one? There's another one. Okay.
Look, he's tucking.
Whew. There's another one that just showed up outside my house. And it's a Koki. And it's an SR. Dude, Jesse, where do you keep on finding all these, dude?
I don't know.
We're literally cornering
Miata.
the market of all the black Kokis with SRs in them.
Good.
This is
guy's
crazy.
cool.
JJ rolling up.
Silver part down.
So far down. This is
Now this is
really
the flex
cool
part.
engine bay.
Oh. Ooh. Wow.
Ew, ew. The PBM.
T28.
Oh.
High mount.
Well,
coil
228 is what I'm trying to get in
No,
tonight.
T28 is best. Up to 280 would be good.
Yeah.
280, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. PBM intercooler.
Dang.
Stock everything though.
Tube front
This is
end.
gusseted front end. This
Okay.
is gusset. And this is the front
Okay.
end.
He's fixing his toe. Not this toe. That toe outside my house right now. Okay, so looking at this wheel, you'd think that his steering wheel is turned to the right a little bit right now. But on this side, it's completely straight. This is completely straight on this side, and on the other side, his wheel's completely turned. That is awful alignment. You don't want that at all. He's fixing his toe arms right now, so hopefully his alignment's a lot better. Dude, how did you drive with the toe like that?
I don't drive, the car drives me.
The car drives
Still
you?
taking over this
Wow, I was
tire.
switching lanes?
That is.
I just went like this, dude.
Dude, if you keep your alignment like this, your tires would probably last like
A mile.
probably another half a day.
Anyone know how to adjust?
I mean, they're already wearing a lot. Holy cow. Yeah,
you go.
steering wheel straight. Wheel turn. Bad. Oh wait, hang on.
These are real wheels.
Wait, hang on. We gotta peep the floor mats though. Dang,
These are real wheels.
Real MB battles.
These are real ME battles, okay? Ford, just
Dude,
like...
you have a real nice custom finish right here with a little bit of
Look
flake.
at that. Yo, we turned into wheel.
Yeah.
Dude, it's got auto Jesse steer. Auto Jesse mode.
I forgot my car pees a little bit. It pees oil a little bit.
Wait, you're gonna leave some stains in front of my house?
No.
Damn, bro.
Bro, as if I need any more. I already have more stains over here. Dude, my whole freaking front area where all my buddies park, they're just leaving all of their marks in front of my house. He's on real NB battles.
It's a real, dude. Forged ME battles.
Go. I've got real JNCs.
The fourth one has arrived. Dude, I think every single black Koki in all of Washington State is right here.
This is so funny.
But legitimately, I think every single black Koki in Washington is actually on the street right now.
Yeah. We just gotta get that one running out of the
The kids on
garage.
Facebook that have been looking for 3 months, they just rolled through here. They're like,
They have them all!
we're gonna be a hedge fund for black S4.
No, I literally don't think there's another one.
Yeah.
I literally don't think there's another one.
If you live in the state of Washington and you have a black Koki with an SR20 in it,
Literally hit
just
us
message me and let's meet up and let's just get this cult going.
No KAs though. No KAs though.
You know what's funny? I just realized my car is sitting exactly like he is on 2 front jack stands in my garage right
Yeah,
now.
but your car's gonna be running tonight.
Yeah, I hope so.
It's gonna be running. It's
I
gonna
hope
be
so.
running.
I hope so.
Right, JJ?
3 a.m. it'll be running.
Yeah, we'll go on a 3 a.m. McDonald's run and 4 black S chassis. Jack Ultra Turbo installer here. We are connecting the hard lines of my old turbo setup onto the T28. Don't do what I'm doing. Get new lines that are not these.
Oh, the hard lines, yeah.
What do they call them? Soft lines?
Like AM fitting lines or.
Yeah, just
think that's what they call
don't reuse old lines because that's what we're gonna try and do, and we're probably gonna. We haven't even gotten to the bad part yet.
Boys and girls, get the flexible lines because hard lines are kind of a pain to re-put on because it's almost impossible to get it to like the OEM like placement when it's like side to side.
I feel like this is one of those situations where we're giving advice to the 0.00001% of viewers that are going to be
SR turbo swaps.
T25 to T28 turbo swap on their SR20.
They're like yeah.
But you never know who could be watching. So I went out and I got these copper washers.
Yep.
That are going to act as, what do you call them, gaskets
Or
to
yeah,
go in between right there,
on the banjo bolts.
fitting up nice and floosh.
Oh yeah.
And then this is kind of like a puzzle to really figure out where exactly these lines go and how exactly they went. But what I did was I downloaded the vlog footage that you guys watched earlier in this video. This is basically acting as an old photo on how they went before, and we're using our old vlog footage to help us out so we could get this on properly. Josh, you got any wise words?
No.
We're tightening the final line because we now got, dude, if only the turbo would just stay looking like that and you could just see it.
Top mount.
That's true.
It was really easy to put on.
Top mount next
No.
time.
It was not easy to put on.
But we got it
But
in there.
we're amateurs, so any for the 1% of SR professionals that are watching this, like,
Oh, I actually know how easy it was because I did all of it.
oh,
That
you
is
did
just
all
not
of it.
true. That is just not true at all. But
It's the second time I've done that now.
But we're getting the final line attached in here, and once we get the line attached, we just gotta attach the downpipe, and then we gotta attach the intake stuff, and then boom.
It's like we're almost there,
Not.
but not.
I just was able to connect the downpipe to the turbo pipe. Everyone's dipping out, and tonight we're gonna basically end off on the only things we have to connect up is the intercooler, the intake piping, and then we have one oil feed line down there, which I need to go buy a gasket for. And then basically we're gonna transition onto another day, and hopefully, given the revs, hopefully it's gonna be time to finally restart this thing up and get it back into life. You guys probably haven't been able to tell, but this one video that you're watching has been made over the span of 2 to 3 weeks worth of just day by day slowly getting this car running. So I'm giving it all to you guys in one video, but just know that this has been happening over the span of like 3 weeks, and this car's been down for a fat minute. I mean, you've seen, it's been sitting in my garage without turbo ever since I revealed the R8.
Are you serious?
I know, the turbo's gone. End of this video. We're getting this thing running. It's happening. Welcome back to another night on, once again, working on the project. You guys can tell that this is, once again, a different day because Jesse got the fresh cut now.
Hair reveal for all the boys and girls.
You got the fresh cut up in here.
For real.
This is home run. I got the downpipe connected. I just got all of the manifold nuts connected up there. The last oil line with the gasket, I went out to the store, I got that connected. So all we're doing now is literally just the piping. I'm pretty sure that's everything.
Yeah, do you have a funnel so you can start purging the cooling system? That is some coolant. Just to get that out the way, so if everything goes well, we can do the test drive pretty much like right.
He filling up with the green juice.
What?
He giving it the green juice.
What is that boy doing? Dude, she was empty.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I do remember half of it going on my garage floor when we were taking out the coolant
Very
lines, so.
vivid memory. Oh, it's leaky.
Uh-oh.
Which one?
That's not good.
Yeah, where's it leaky from?
Um,
That is good that we found that now, though.
yeah. Alright, cut video. Hey, so we were about to start, and then immediately coolant was drenching out, and it's drenching from the turbo, from one of the hard lines. Probably one of those washers. Jesse literally saw me like impact all of them all on, and it is accessible from underneath the car. So like when we tried to tighten it, that thing was like fully tight. It was hard to even break out, but.
What did you impact it on with? The big impact?
Yeah, the big impact.
Oh shit, dude.
Too much?
You might have stripped it.
Yeah.
Try and do it by hand. If you can tighten it with whatever wrench you have, tighten it and see, because if you stripped it, it's gonna be loose.
We were this close to thinking that we were gonna start up the car, and then yeah, we have something that is that's either over tightened to the point where it's loose, or it's just, yeah, I don't know what's going on, but
It's not seated properly.
yeah, but we have a coolant line that is now leaking coolant all over my garage floor, and that's preventing us to go any further. And we basically need tool places to be open again so we can get tools to do it, and same with to be able to get more washers for it. So we cannot go any further tonight to continue on, and I'm probably gonna end off the video here, even though we tried so hard to make this happen in one video.
S chassis always wins.
The
S chassis always wins.
It does. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for another part on will we get this thing running. Thank you guys for watching. I'm signing it off here.
Don't buy an S chassis as your only car, guys.
Coming from the man that has an S chassis as his
their
only
only
car.
car.
Jesse is about to single-handedly disrupt the entire neighborhood.
Oh!
Ah, so nice and quiet. Everyone's sleeping, and then now it's just...
It is so much louder in person.
This dude.
He's not even sorry for it.
Watch, you wanna see something crazy? Trick shot.
Wait, try again. Retake.
Oh my! This paper towel isn't also regulation either.
No, it's not.
Oh! Let's go, dude! Let's go!